So revenge evictions are an eviction process started by a landlord in response to a complaint of some sort by a tenant. So rather than sort out the problem and address the issues or do the works that need to be done, it's where the landlord decides, you know what, it'd actually be a lot easier if I just kick this person out. Nemo and her family, 5 children, her husband, all been made homeless by this, and what we're trying to do is send a strong message to landlords and to the wider community that revenge evictions aren't going to be tolerated by Acorn members.
So the bailiffs are due any minute. They might be horribly late, they might not be. Plan is when they turn up, we're going to link arms, some people in these 2 front gardens, some people kind of along the street. And then myself and Nemo are going to talk to the landlord on the bailiff and tell them to go away. Okay.
You're happy with all of it?
No evictions!
Stop the eviction! Start the